Hi, Kai Gogwalt here, CTO and co-founder of Ironclad, and I wanted to give you a preview of AI Assist, the newest feature coming out of Ironclad AI. So the problem here is, as a lawyer on a internal contracts team, you can find yourself reviewing the same type of agreement over and over again and making the same repetitive changes. With Ironclad AI and leveraging the power of generative AI, we can actually help speed up and make this process more consistent. So let's say we go into a workflow here, and we're a contracts attorney who has been tasked with reviewing a vendor agreement with a new vendor we want to work with in Ingenico. If we jump into the master services agreement, we can see that Ironclad AI has already gone through and read the agreement clause by clause, linking up concepts in the agreement in the text of the document with the concepts in our playbook. On top of this, Ironclad AI has identified a number of issues in the contract, ranging from a missing clause, our organization requires attorney's fees to be present, to a non-standard governing law. This one seems to be in the state of Colorado. We accept California, Delaware, and New York. Now we can go ahead and actually make these changes directly, either copying in and swapping in language or directly editing the document in this contract editor. However, why don't we just click AI Assist? And here, Ironclad AI is coming in, leveraging large language models and generative AI to actually resolve the 5 issues that we identified. And as you can see, we've changed governing law from Colorado to California. We've removed 2 problematic provisions around indemnification and non-solicitation. We've updated our payment terms from net 30 to net 45. And we're currently inserting some standard language around attorney's fees into this contract. And with the click of a button, we're going to make all of these changes. And as you can see, the 5 issues that Ironclad AI had identified in the playbook have now been all resolved. On top of that, these changes have been made with track changes on, which will make it very easy for Ingenico to understand the changes that we're requesting. And finally, if we look at the attorney's fees clause, you can see that rather than making up some random attorney's fees clause, Ironclad AI has actually inserted the standard language from our playbook into the contract. So that's super helpful for taking a pass at the first round of a contract. But can AI Assist help with subsequent rounds, version 2, version 3, version 4 of a document? Absolutely. So let's say we want to make a custom change to the use and non-disclosure provision, and we haven't encoded it into our playbook yet. We can just highlight the relevant text, click AI Assist, and make some changes like make confidentiality neutral. And again, using large language models and generative AI, Ironclad is able to make some suggestions to the user about how we might change this language to make confidentiality mutual. And there have been a couple of suggestions here, all kind of getting to the same effect. But let's go with this one here in the middle, where we're actually getting rid of the concept of a receiving or disclosing party entirely. So we can click select, and just like that, we've made all of the changes with track changes on, and we can actually use this as either a starting place or the ultimate change that we want to make. So that's AI Assist, the newest feature coming out of Ironclad AI, helping make repetitive contract negotiation faster and more consistent, leveraging the power of large language models and generative AI. Thank you.